In this work, we deal with the problem of photosequencing of motion blur, that is recovering a sequence of sharp images from a blurred image. Recovering the sequence from a single blurred image can be hard due to ill-posed temporal ordering and erasure of spatial textures. We propose to capture two additional short exposure photographs to handle both motion ordering and texture recovery. While these two additional images might be noisy, they are practically free of motion blur. Hence, we exploit the complementary information from both short and long exposures to recover the underlying sharp image sequence. We computationally recover the photo sequence through a recursive blur decomposition technique, wherein the sharp image sequence is recovered through multiple splitting of exposure intervals. We learn this decomposition by training a deep neural net using images synthesized from high frame rate video datasets. Let's see our results for a few interesting scenes. In the left, we show our captured blurred image. The noisy images are not shown here but are available in the supplementary file. In this foosball scene, the ball is linearly moving at a fast pace. It hits the cube and slows down. The foosball players undergo rotational motion. Notice how the motion of both the ball and players are correctly recovered. The cavities on the player toys are reconstructed correctly too. Jellyfish is a versatile example to show our method's exemplary results. The smooth curvature of jellyfish's head is clearly recovered, and that is expected from any good method. In addition, notice the sharpness of the delicate tentacles in our result compared to the blurred capture. Skate result is interesting for its inner dynamics. A variety of motions from skateboard to the body to the hand are all correctly recovered. Our method correctly transfers textures of moving regions such as the hand, fist, and skateboard from the short exposure images and that of static regions from the blurred image without trading off sharpness. Other methods, including photosequencing using multiple blurred images, lose out on texture recovery. Now let's see a long sequence of our alternating short and long exposure captures. This is captured at around 30 frames per second. And we do a 15x increase in frame rate of the blurred images as shown in this beautiful result. We have included our results for a variety of scenes with interesting motions, ranging from complex human body motions to subtle movement of a ticking watch in the supplementary zip file. Thank you for listening to this video.